This time, for real, I'm getting past... Oh! And then I fall and break my leg. Hi gamers, it's the Game Fairy, and today I'm going to be playing Risk of Rain 2. This is going to be my very first run that I've ever done. So I am super excited to see how this game plays. I heard of Risk of Rain 2 because of the soundtrack, which I have listened to multiple times, but now it is time to finally play. Now, since this is my first time, gamers, it's cool to be kind, okay? Just go easy on me and help me out too. If I like this game, hopefully I'll be playing a lot more in my spare time and maybe more on the channel. It just really depends on how this goes. But I'm excited. Let's go. I don't know much about the story or anything either. Okay. Safe travels. Last known coordinates of the UE. Ooh, contact light. That went by. I wasn't expecting it. Okay. We're here, Captain. The distress beacon came from this exact coordinate. This planet. It isn't on any star maps we know. This area isn't. Any visuals on the contact light? I gotta read a little faster. No, sir. Just debris. Uncharted territories. Any signs of survivors? No, sir. Bioscanner is dark. Sir, the distress beacon, it mentioned a lot. Monsters and fighting and... Sir, do you think we're ready? Oh, who's that? Sir? Ooh, we're ready to go! So I will just be doing single player. Ooh, what, we got 2 survivors or 1? Who's this, the Huntress? Or Commando. Commando has double tap, rapidly shoot an enemy for 100% damage, phase round, fire a piercing bullet for 300% damage, deals 20 or 40% more damage every time it passes through an enemy. Tactical dive, roll a short distance. Okay, I do like rolling, barrel rolling. And suppressive fire, stunning, fire repeatedly for 100% damage per bullet. The number of shots increases with attack speed. I think Commando seems like the very first one. So I might just try Commando this round. Let's go ahead. Ready. X. Oh, gotta hold X. Oh. Verdant Falls, ground 0. It just threw us in. Okay. I am a little far from the screen. Oh crap, stuff's already shooting at me? Holy moly, okay. Oh no. Now, I play inverted, so it was already just not working out. Okay, let's see. Vertical. Yes, please. Oh, I did not accept it, did I? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Perfect. Alright, now I can get you. Or not. Whoa, 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 whoa. Was that a dinosaur? Okay, I love the jump. Sprint to get around the map. This looks like half human, half dino. Objective. Find and activate the teleporter. Okay, and get shot in the back. Okay, you take fall damage as well? Crap. I got here? What's left trigger? Ooh, nice burst of energy. I like that. Okay, let's check our bumpers now. Nice, that's fighting me. Get back. Can I melee? Oh, am I dead? I am dead. Excellent. Let's try that again, okay? Well, we're doing that again. Dang, it really just throws you in here. Titanic Plains, ground 0. It's bust out. We're ready to go. It's quiet. Oh, hi. Oh, it's just a thing. Can I rocket boost around? No. So we gotta find a teleporter. It's very quiet. Uh-oh. I heard a shriek. Got the music in the background. Thank you. Bad or good? Bad. I don't know if a little bit of auto aim is on, but that wasn't a bad shot there. So let's see what's right. Oh, rapid fire. Open barrel. Pointy? Gamula? Okay. Let's get these. Easy work of them. Come on. Aw, they didn't even like put up a fight. Were they friendly? Is anything on this island friendly? I knew something was behind me. Whoa. I have grenades. So I gotta make sure to use my, holy moly. Okay. Got a golem. Let's back up. Okay. Don't lock on. I'm new here. Please. Boom. Oh my, oh my. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Make sure we roll. Use that rapid burst. Ooh, did I miss? Very much so. Back up. Rapid burst. No, just roll. Jump. Yeah. Don't mind me. Just trying some technical skills out here. Okay, you're like a little frog. A little spiky frog. Just leaping at me. Holy moly. Thank goodness. Oh, Elite Slayer. Defeat an elite type monster. Is that why it took me so long to get him down? Yeah. Oh, I like the stun. I think it did mention that when I was reading through it. Okay, crap. What is going on there? Okay, something tells me, since our objective is to, was this me? Oh crap. Oh, sprint, remember sprint, is that maybe these enemies will keep coming. I don't know how I'm supposed to level up or anything. What's this? Oh, are you Fran? Oh, we'll grab you. Milky Chrysalis. Gain temporary flight. How do I fly? Oh, with Y. Okay, please get off of that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, how do I land? Just on the floor. Uh-oh. Oh no, look at all these enemies behind me, y'all. Okay, run. Am I a human? Is this character a human? Ooh. So the longer you stay alive, the longer you get to listen to the music. So that's gonna be my motivation. If I want to shred, if I want to jam out, I gotta be good. Okay, I gotta get good. That looks kind of friendly. What's that? Is that blue? I'm running towards this. I don't know what this is. Uh-oh. Okay, whatever you are, go ahead. Whatever you are, go ahead. Holy moly. A missile? There is a lot going on. Stay back. Whoa, I'm really flying now. I don't know how I got so much higher. Is there a way that I can let myself down faster? Okay, let's go. We gotta find that teleporter. Up. Wandering vagrant. Gentle protector. This game is meant for the big screen. I'm playing it on my laptop through my capture right now. So everything's coming down small. Holy moly! Okay, so some tells me... Oh. Enter? Oh, is it loading? Okay, let's try to run towards it. Do I have to wait until it's ready to go? Is that what's going on? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna assume. Holy moly. Oh. Do I have heals? I don't even know if I have heals yet. You are dead. Let's just hop in. I guess I'm just gonna learn as I go along. Or maybe I'll try this second one, the Huntress. We have Strafe, Agile, quickly fire a seeking arrow for 150% damage, Laser Glaive, throw a seeking glaive that bounces up to 6 times for 250% damage. We can blink, disappear, and teleport forward. Arrow Rain, teleport into the sky. Target an area to rain arrows, slowing all enemies and dealing 225% damage per second. All right, let's see if I can remember that. Let's go, Huntress. Objective, find and activate the teleporter. I definitely have to watch a YouTube video on this game after this. Whoa! Okay. Oh, homing. We love to see it. Okay. Dang, sniped. Okay. What's this? Maybe? Oh, one item? Alright. Dang. I like this. I feel like a wasp. I look very wasp-esque. Alright, let's try... Oh, actually, let's figure out our... Oh, that's the blink. Oh, that's the slow. Okay. Or when you jump in, then fire. That's kind of what Link does in Breath of the Wild, right? Okay, let's go exploring. I feel like if I stay here, I'm just gonna get overwhelmed. So let's try to cover some area. What's this? Are you for me? Nope. Okay, back up, stay back. Okay, let's keep it moving. Hello? Oh, golems. Okay. Okay. Oh. I need to be blinking. Nope. 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 Run, run, run. Fast as I can. Oh, it's in here. Or am I gonna get caught? It sounded like someone went in behind me. Oh, what's this? Okay. Get items later. Clear ground. Medkit. Receive. Oh. too small for me to read. War banner. Drop a war banner. Oh, wait. Okay, after I clear these... Oh, no. I feel like this was a risky area to be in. Can I grab on the ledges or no? I wanted to look. See him. Maybe if I defeat... Crap, I didn't blink fast enough. Slice, nice. Ooh, war banner. Did I intentionally put that down? Okay, sprint time. Okay, blink when you're... Oh, wait. What's this, a turret? Let's go ahead. Payback. Sucker. Go. Oh, how does that work? I'm gonna try that again. When the cooldown stops. Yeah, this turret is my buddy. I need to put it on wheels, bring it with me. Nicely done. Oh, don't shoot me, turret. Timmy the turret. Okay, I guess I'm gonna leave that turret there to fend for itself. Oh, is this item? Why am I putting down the war banner? Focus crystal. Ooh, deal bonus damage to nearby enemies. Oh crap, who just hit me? Is it you? I need to keep exploring though. I know that for certain. Because we have not unearthed our teleporter. Let's go. Zoom. Excuse me, pardon me. Okay. Nice and quiet. Okay. Wait. Ooh, what's this? Whoa. Okay. It's like a bubble. Oh, what's this? Money? Something? Oh, gain max health. Awesome. We like to see it. I'm gonna need Drew to chill. Oh, I could try my thing. Oh, too bad I already cleared him out. Oh, this is the Spawner Stone Titan. So I think I just need to stand my ground for as long as it takes. Arrows are nice. Oh, I did not mean to blink straight through them. Ooh, let's try to get this Titan down. No, run, please. Run. Oh, crap. No grenades. No turret, friend. Holy moly. There's a lot to this game, I feel, but... Blink. Oh, no, still after blinking, you got me? Are you serious? Oh, I think I'm dead. Oh. That was fun. I liked the Huntress, so I want to try them again. Let's go! So y'all have to let me know in the comment section how I'm doing with this game. Oh! Love it. I said that and then immediately fell. How do I see? Oh, I only have $15. Will I go into debt? No. Can I take out a credit card? Like what? Oh! Got some bogeys. Let's go. Easy work, easy work. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, blink! Hiya! Let's try this again. I don't know. Oh, there's the rain. Okay. Did that destroy the golem? That was pretty strong. Okay. Oh, I gotta remember to not stay in one spot. Oh, I do have money now though. So we can get a mystery or... What is that, gasoline? No clue. Killing an enemy ignites other enemies. I like it. Okay, let's get out of here. $46? Was that something up there? Okay, I didn't know. I thought I saw something. Oh, bubble! Now, is the location of the teleporter the same every time? Huh? Oh, okay. That's what I want to know. See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya! Oh, is that an item down there? Let's try to get it. Scrapper. Turn anything into recyclable scrap. No, thank you. I think this should be beneficial to me, especially since it's the only thing I have. I don't want to give up my gasoline. Haha! Oh, those things are weak. That's why it got destroyed so easily. Hiya! Oh, yes! I like that. I like that. I like that. I'm feeling good about this run. Ooh, that looks like something. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh crap, fall damage. Oh, I guess not. What's in here? Let's go ahead. Oh, chance on kill to... What the? What was that? I don't know what that happened. Did I get the buff? Is that why? Get fuel array. What is going on? What is going on? Commando time. Immediately put a $35 item there and I only have 15. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm getting stuck on the wall. Okay. What's that? That looks like an item down there. Maybe not. This is not an item. I did see a bubble that I want to bounce on. Oh, I forgot. So with this one, you can roll. And, oh, the rapid fire. Did I take damage from that? on the hunt for our teleporter. Oh, what's this? Is this the teleporter? Or no, it's not. Come here. Whew. Nice. Bang, bang, bang! I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh, is it not back yet? It's not back yet. So for every enemy, do you get money? I think so. So there is a benefit to hitting these hordes. Okay, or let's run. I don't know what this is. Let's try it. Ooh, healing warmth. Yes. Give me, because I was oh, I gotta go back in that thing. I was struggling. Okay, gotta go. See ya. Roll action. How much money do I have? 19. Money is easy come, easy go, I guess. Oh, don't peek around the corner. What are you doing? Show yourself. Be loud and proud. Oh, don't bring friends, though. How do they know I'm here? Oh! I don't know what that is. Oh, crap. Oh, my gosh. I keep thinking these are something, but they're not. Gosh, is my healing embrace still there? My forced healing? Come on, sprint. I know you're tired. It's okay. Oh, no. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Oh, it is still there. Let me get my healing embrace going on. And I shan't not stay here. Holy moly. Why? No. Everyone in the neighborhood is here for this house party. For my Healing Woods house party. And I don't like it. I didn't invite anyone. They smelled the barbecue. Okay, teleporter. So do you always automatically heal, I wonder? Heal array. What? Oh. Okay. Let's keep it moving. Oh no. Stay back. Actually, I need y'all for a second so I can get just a little bit more money. Thank you. Okay. So, we're on the hunt for a teleporter. Hopefully, I did not pass it and y'all are just like screaming through the screen. I'm like, come on! It's right there! Oh, what's this? Come on. Hopefully I didn't leave the thing behind. Okay, I guess it's just money. Oh my gosh, someone has a very large gun and they are shooting me. Okay, I'm gonna check high ground. Let's run. Be very careful. Oh, I think it's right there, huh? Okay, I might take a little damage. This might not be too high though. Slide down. Let's go ahead and get this activated. Maybe this time I will survive. Beetle Queen, where are you at, ma'am? Huh? Gamers. Oh, did I get another survivor? Oh, I think I... Oh, no, I didn't. I was like, wait, I got another survivor. Oh. Who are these people? There's so many survivors. Like, that's pretty cool that the variety of gameplay is that wide. Do I want to do some more arrows? Or do I want to... Let's go, Commando. Let's play Commando again. Okay, let me out. There's already something here. One item. I don't know what that means. I have to watch a video on this. I just have to remember to roll. R-O-L-L. Roll. Boom. Thank you for the money. If I don't have a uh-oh. Oh. Okay, I just like did a speed run of death right there. Let's try that again. I like that the load, like to get into the game is super fast. I know some games they have like a bunch of screens and a bunch of this, and it's like a parade of your doom. But this game, you just like, I'm ready to get back in, and then you just start it. So that's gonna make dying be a lot less painful. I know with any roguelike, death is kind of the point, or death is the game, but oh no, yay, I love getting shot with beams of energy. Okay, I think I'm going to give myself some time. What was that? Oh, that's my pod. Okay. I'm like, take me back up. I'm getting better. Y'all better watch out. I'm using... Say it ain't so. Back in. Look at that! Boom! I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. This time, for real. I'm getting past... Oh! And then I fall and break my leg. The crunch! The crunch of my bones. I know the enemies will be here any second now. I don't think I saw anything in there, so we are going to head out so we don't get trapped in the cave. What's this? Give me some money. Okay. What's that? Probably costs more money than what I have. Let me see though. 25. You see some easy enemies here. Oh. Now I can buy it. Ooh, so that steak, a lollipop? I don't know yet. Maybe the lollipop will give me speed from the... You're not nice. I don't appreciate you. Hiya! Oh! Keep shooting. Give it some extra. Dang, that poor golem, it didn't know what to do. Okay, let's try the lollipop. Oh, do I have to pick it up? There's no way. How would you do that to me? Wait, what? Crap, get off the wall. What am I doing? Oh gosh. Oh no, how scary. Come on, Grace. Oh, don't hit me. Just minding my business. Crap! I thought there was a way up through there. No. So you can just run endlessly, I assume? Gosh, and I only have 18. Thought that was money on the ground. It's like, not anymore. I feel like the longer you're in it, the enemies just compound, and there's so many of them the next thing you know. So are the enemies mostly here for you to run around, find upgrades, so then you can hold your own against the big bad, which I am coming up. Oh my gosh, I'm not in a position to... Oh, here's the cooldown. I got 1 second left. Okay. Back up, please. Holy moly! Yeah, let's do it. It's like I'm not in a position to open this thing, so... Listen, this character is not used to getting killed so often, probably. They're like, who is controlling me right now? Oh my gosh. What? So do I have to wait until that blinks? And you look like a bullet bill. Hi. I just saw your brother. Your twin. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling good. Get this thing out the sky. Awesome. Oh. How do I only have 35? I feel like I was killing it. Okay, please stop. Oh. Come on. Oh, I have 34. Oh, love it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Turret, are you there? Turret? This thing. I gotta get you out the freaking sky. Oh, okay. Okay. Get on. We did that. Okay. Can I pick you up? Can I put you on my back? Jeepers. So each second goes by, I get a little bit of health back. Oh, I see something smoking. What are you? 1? What does that mean? I guess I don't have whatever it is. Back up. Oh, crap. Dang cooldown. I need these cooldowns reduced by 50%, please. Thank you. Over. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got hecka dough right now, though. So maybe if I run around, I can find something beneficial. Look at that. They literally just spawn out of the ground. Tag, you're it. I gotta get this thing. It's gonna annoy me. And you too. Oh, okay. I was like, did it freeze? I should look for it. Oh my gosh. I definitely should. It's time to run. Come on, give me another roll. Dang. Am I not running? Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going so slow. Let's go. Let's keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up, up. What are you? $325 though, right on this side. That's dangerous. Monster Tooth. Drop a healing orb on kill. Okay. Gotta get on this geyser. Nice little escape plan. Oh my gosh. These sound like monsters. Oh, here are my healing orbs. Thank you. I like that. Okay. I guess I gotta find the teleporter. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Yes, turret. I love you. My bestie. You're the only one. Only one helping me out here. I do not need that orb. Okay, so from what it looks like, I see we're on easy. And I don't know if next up, excuse you, I don't know if next up is medium. And I don't know when it hits medium. Oh, this is my starter pod. Okay, I need to go. I need to go. Nope, let's go around this way. Woo! Does the roll make you go faster? I am unsure. Kind of felt like it, so I was doing it, but maybe it's just more a dodge. Thanks for the money, punk. Okay, let's go. Ooh, I'm level 4. I'll have to get rid of you. No. Yes, please. Oh, God. Oh, crap. Let's go. Alright. Now, at least I can afford for other people to do my bidding. That's excellent. I can see how this would be pretty fun with multiplayer, though. I can definitely feel where things would just get so chaotic. And you just have so many enemies. I don't know if they add more enemies when you have more people, or if it's kind of like this. Oh, what are you? Huh? Pray to the Shrine of Combat. Okay. I feel like I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so the easy bar is almost out. Hopefully the thing is up here. It looks like medium's coming up. And I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's gonna be how much harder it's gonna be. I guess it's medium enemy load, I would assume. Have you, excuse me, enemies, have y'all seen the transporter anywhere? Have y'all? No? Yeah? Oh, blue one! Oh gosh. Freak, just hit him! Just hit it! Okay, focus. Here we go. You get away from me. Okay, so it's clearly not up here. my gosh. I don't know what's gonna happen when it gets to medium. I don't know. What's that arrow? Oh, is it just telling me where? Is that even an arrow? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, I think I should be ready. I don't know. I've been doing okay. I hope I'm ready. Let's go. Come on. Who is it? Beetle Queen. She killed me so quickly. Do I just hide from her for a minute? Wow. Who survives this? Oh, maybe me. Okay, I gotta kill people because then I'll get drops. Y'all, this is too much fire. Like, serious question. Who's making it out of this? Who? Oh. Well. Thank you for being a part of my first... Oh, I got caught. Thank y'all for being a part of my first couple runs. I will definitely be playing more of this game because I want to get past that first boss. Is that supposed to be beatable? Like, can I do that solo? What? So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe for more, and I hope you're having a good day, a good night, a good time, and I will be talking to y'all real soon with some more content. I'll be seeing ya.